So what are we doing on this one, Nick?
We're going to change the dimmer on your backlights to make it brighter and less bright. So you press and hold this bottom button. You'll use the bottom button to scroll down to number 4, dimmer.
And again, you turn your ignition on before you've done all this, right?
Correct. Good. We just cancel that. Then press and release both buttons at the same time. Then you can use your bottom button to make the dimmer lights go down, or your top button to make them go all the way up.
All right.
And then you shut your key off again. And it'll save it automatically.
All right, good.